If you're seeing the LS-0013 launch error in Epic Games, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your game as quickly as possible. This error is usually tied to a corrupted launch process, permission issue, or game files that need to be repaired, and the good news is that it can often be fixed in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is completely close the Epic Games launcher. Don't just minimize it, make sure it's fully shut down. You can do that by right-clicking the Epic Games icon in the system tray and exiting the launcher if it's still running in the background. Closing it properly helps clear temporary issues that may be causing the launch error in the first place. Now, once the launcher is closed, reopen Epic Games, but this time run it as an administrator. To do that, right-click the Epic Games launcher shortcut or executable and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the launcher elevated permissions, which can solve problems where the game isn't allowed to launch properly because of Windows permission restrictions. If you get a prompt asking for confirmation, click Yes and let it load. After the launcher opens, go to your library. Find the game that is showing the LS-0013 error, then click on the three dots or the game menu and choose Verify Files. This is one of the most important steps because it checks your game installation for missing or corrupted files and replaces anything that's broken. If a file is damaged, missing, or incomplete, verification can often repair it automatically without needing a full reinstall. Let the verification process finish completely. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a few minutes, so be patient and don't interrupt it. Once it's done, the launcher will usually tell you whether any files were repaired or updated. After that, close the launcher again just to make sure everything refreshes properly. Next, restart your PC. This step is simple, but it matters a lot because it clears background processes, resets temporary system issues, and makes sure the launcher and game start fresh when you try again. A restart can also help apply any file repairs or permission changes that were made during the verification process. Once your computer is back on, open Epic Games again and try launching the game one more time. In many cases, the LS-0013 error is gone at this point and the game should start normally. If it works, great, you're done. If you still see the error, go back and double check that the launcher is being run as administrator and that the file verification completed successfully. Sometimes a second verification or another restart can help if the files were still in the middle of updating. Also, make sure no antivirus or security software is blocking the game or launcher, since that can sometimes interfere with startup. To recap, the basic fix is to close Epic Games Launcher, reopen it as administrator, verify the game files, restart your PC, and then launch the game again. Those few steps solve the LS-0013 error for many players and are usually the best place to start before moving on to more advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix the LS-0013 launch error in Epic Games, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming and PC troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.